In this particular video, we'll see how to do web scraping using Power BI. So first of all, let's click on the getting the data, and we have an option for a web scraping. Let's click on web scraping. You'll see the dialog box appearing over here, which shows the basic and advanced option, and a certain box which is used to paste the URL option. So whatever the web page you want to scrap, the link of that page should be pasted into this particular box. So let's write a certain thing to web scrap. So I would be getting the list of Indian cricket players, and the list should be scrapped into the Power BI for the visualization. So list of India ODI cricket players. In the Wikipedia we have here the list, general list we have. So all over, like, we have the cricket team. It's 255 players, and the different, like, total overall captains. So this list we want the first, and the captain list and the players list. So let's copy the URL of the page and let's paste in this box. By clicking on OK, we'll see the navigator would open all the values which are present on that page and group all together into the sheets. So the HTML code we have, so in between the tags, what all the values we have, that are considered and aggregated and put into the tables. So we have players column, like players table, and we have captains table. So this is how, like, we can make or we can do the web scraping using Power BI. So after clicking on load, everything would get loaded into the Power BI for visualization.